up, guys? It's Scott with Neverheads back for another Metamaterials update, and today is shaping up to be an absolutely huge day as we're getting tons of volume right now ahead of the Nanotech merger vote that is going to be tomorrow. I would imagine this is a lot of people buying the rumor, so I would not be surprised if in a couple of days when this gets pushed through, when this gets approved, that we may see a little bit of a dip, but that is another problem for another time. Right now, let's just revel in the glory that is MMAT right now. Again, more volume than we had any day last week, and it is just about lunchtime here. We still have 2 hours and 15 minutes left in trading day. Trading well above that 50 EMA line. Right now, we should touch 6 today. We'll see if we can hold above that. If we can, that will be absolutely momentous for us right now. RSI is looking very strong at 60.73, and MACDs are looking solid as well. Head on over to Twitter because we do have a time for the Nanotech securities vote. 11 a.m. tomorrow is the meeting for and vote for Meta's acquisition of Nanotech. And I guess if you follow this link here, you can get access to the meeting that will be actually 11 a.m. Pacific time. So keep that in mind. If you show up at 11 a.m. Eastern, you will be about 3 hours early. So 11 a.m. Pacific, mark your calendars. There we go. They corrected it. This is a chart analysis from Jimbo, whoever the fuck that is. But he's saying if we break $6.07, we do not have a ton of resistance up there. I'm not sure what these lines are. Probably if we zoomed out a little bit, they would be other resistance points on this. Let's see what we got here on Chart Exchange. Oh, baby. Up to 611. We are flying today. 24, almost 25 million in volume right now. So it looks like my E-Trade chart is a little bit behind, but that's okay. We got the correct, oh baby, 613 now. The volume is pouring in after those 3 martini lunches. A couple of bumps of cocaine. Those traders are dumping everything into Metamaterials today. Let's see what we got for options. Right now, we're looking at 36,500 calls in the money and only 41,151 out of the money. Looks like we don't have a ton for $7. Much more at the 8, 9, 10, 11. The most surprising one here is there are 7,100 psychos putting in $18 calls expiring October 15th. I guess for a nickel, might as well throw a couple contracts down. I'm sure they can probably sell those for 20 cents in a couple of days if we keep shooting up. So that'll be a nice 3 or 4x, nice 4x on your money there. Some nice cheap lottery tickets. Let's see what the dark pool volume is for today. All right. So tons of volume total, and of the 25 million in volume, we have almost 12 coming in on the dark pool, and then everything else is on the open exchanges. And we have one little fluff piece here from Investor Place, no longer posting FUD about Metamaterials. Now they are back on the fluff train, so that's always nice. And they're basically the thesis of this is what I said earlier. A lot of people buying the rumors on the Nanotech merger that's being voted on tomorrow. Metamaterial stock is on the move Monday as investors prepare to vote on its merger with Nanotech Security. The vote is taking place, and we'll have shareholders in the Nanotech Securities stock determining if Metamaterials can acquire all outstanding shares of the company. This would be an indirect acquisition for MMAT and has shareholders of the stock excited today. That is absolutely correct. We're all very excited. We're seeing interest in MMAT stock rise a day ahead of the Nanotech security acquisition vote. As of this writing, more than 18 million shares of the stock have changed hands, and now we are up over 25 million. That is quickly approaching the company's daily average trading volume of 20 million shares, and we are pretty much double the volume we had almost every day last week. Nanotech is a strategic acquisition for Meta. It will add tested and cost-competitive production technology along with new products and customers to our portfolio. Nanotech also adds complementary skill sets which can support Meta's markets, accelerating our commercialization plans in verticals such as solar energy, 5G, and other antennas, battery and fuel cells, and carbon capture. One more look at the charts here, and we'll call it a day. Little bit of a pullback here from the high of 614, but holding steady. Oh, there we go, right back up to it. Good gollies. All right, holding steady at 615. We could definitely see a little bit of a dip at the end of the day, but I think closing over 6 is going to be a huge step in the right direction on the road to $100 plus. Anyways, guys, that is just about going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and see you in the next video.